Yeah, big story all the way in through the weekend, and we've had a lot of good advice. We have been talking about this as well. Drink plenty of water. Make sure you're staying in cool places. Don't want to do that extreme exercise in the middle of the day. All those things that we talk about, and really, heat illness can affect anybody. We know the young and the elderly more susceptible to it, but that doesn't mean a healthy 30, 40-year-old man or woman who's out and about in great physical condition, couldn't succumb to something. And it's all about just making sure you're drinking plenty of water and just doing some smart things. We have to talk about this because heat illness is our #1 killer when it comes to weather. And I don't want to alarm people, but that's just the way it is. We think, okay, it's August, it's supposed to be hot. But if you're not taking care of yourself in the right way, it can sneak up on you. So we just want people to be aware of that. And I know you're aware of the warm up. We've been talking about this. We're going to go a good 10 degrees above the average, maybe 12 degrees above the average. We're going to be flirting with record temperatures, not only during the day, but during the nighttime as well. So we have these record high lows, which are sometimes confusing, but our lowest temperature of the day generally coming just after sunrise or just before sunrise, depending on conditions with clouds and other things. But we generally know right around sunrise we'll get the coolest temperature of the day. So when we're talking about temperatures only cooling down into the mid 80s like they will in Palm Springs, Palm Desert, you're talking about a very warm overnight condition. And we've been seeing overnight temperatures in the 60s. We're probably going to see those overnight temperatures in the lower 70s. They won't get into the 60s because the heat that we get during the day is just going to be stuck around during the evening hours. So my point is this: very warm, above the average. Yesterday the forecasted high was 85 for us, so that was a blown forecast in my book. I want to be within 2 degrees of the forecasted high. We were 4 degrees above that forecasted high, so I consider yesterday the start of the warm-up. Originally I was saying, hey, you know what, it's going to start Wednesday, peak on Thursday. Well, it started yesterday in many areas, and it's going to peak for us Thursday and Friday. So we still have warmer weather to come. A lot of advisories, fire weather warnings, wind advisories, heat advisories. I mean, these are all things we don't want to see. We don't want to see the heat and the winds combining together, and unfortunately they will. Now, we also get a chance of thunderstorms, mainly in through the mountains, some of our valleys, and not a lot of moisture. So we're not talking about a great risk of widespread rain, although we will see some pocket thunderstorms, especially over the mountains and deserts, but we also get lightning strikes. So again, I don't want to alarm, but we do need to let people know this is the worst mix of weather that we have had this year in sense of the winds. Have we had stronger winds this year? Yes, we have had stronger winds, and we know the result of that. But to have heat, thunderstorms, and winds, definitely some dangerous conditions, not just personally as far as our health, but the risk of fires will be elevated as well heading into the weekend. So this is one of those weekends, just have to be smart. I mean, there's just a lot of red on the map, right? Anywhere you go. So should we get into the difference of a heat advisory, extreme heat warning? Not really. I mean, the overall theme is this: it is hot everywhere. Coastal areas, you're warm compared to your average, but obviously it's much easier to handle 70s and 80s than it is 90s and triple digits, and that's what we're going at. We're going warmer today at 90, 96 on Thursday, Friday 97. There is a cool down into the weekend, but it's so limited as far as a major cool down that we have to go to Tuesday of next week before we really find temperatures getting back to the average. This means triple digits through the inland areas. So 101, 106, 105, 102. Chance of thunderstorms, monsoon moisture pushing in. So even with a little bit of a cool down for the IE Saturday and Sunday, you're still going to have that added humidity, so it's going to feel a little bit muggy. We have been very spoiled. I know we've been talking about this. We said payback was coming. This week ahead of us is payback, and it's going to be a rough one for us.